Guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're new to this channel, you are highly welcome. Now, are you aiming for your waist to be 24 inch? Do you have like a 38 or 30 inch of waist? What I mean by that is that, are you having a fat tummy, a big tummy, belly fat, stubborn one? Are you having weight that you want to lose? Well, you are at the right bus stop, girl, because this home remedy is going to wash off all of those belly fats, and you are going to be aiming through having 24-inch waist, okay, when you're consistent. And also watch the video to the end, okay? Don't forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please share the video and turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. Drop your questions on my website. The link will be at my comment section. Alright, let's dive into the video. Alright guys, so to burn belly fat, we're going to be needing green tea bag. Okay, so you can actually use the green tea leaf itself if you have one, or you can actually use the green tea bag, the sachet tea, okay? Anyone you can lay your hand on, guys. It's actually perfect because green tea helps so much in balancing your body system, and it's also helps to remove belly fat, and it clears general body weight, okay? So that's why we need this. And also we're going to be making use of cinnamon stem. You can either use the stem or you can use the powder, whichever one you can lay your hand on, you use them. It's gonna be perfect, guys, okay? Because cinnamon is a spice that not only is it good for cooking, it's perfect in flushing down the excessive stored and belly fat. And it's so we're going to be putting in lemon in this, because lemon is very essential, okay? It's also going to help us in removing all stubborn and stored fats, and it's also going to be ideal in removing excessive weight. Then we're going to also be needing moringa tea bag, okay? But I have here my homemade processed moringa, okay, which is very perfect. Now I can either use this or I can use the tea bag, okay? Here is the tea bag. Alright, so anyone I want, I can use it. So anyone you can lay your hand on, you can actually use it. It's great, it's perfect for this, okay? So now let's prepare this. Alright, so we're gonna be needing a pot, and we're gonna be throwing in one tea bag, okay? Basically we're gonna be needing 2 tea bags, so each of one is gonna be perfect. And then the green tea bag, we're gonna be throwing that in also. So I'm just going to remove this and throw this into the pot, okay? So I would have to shift this aside and bring in the cinnamon, and I'm gonna take a few cinnamon stem and I would just have to rinse it, okay, in case of dust, because I got this in the local market, so I will just have to rinse them really well. So after rinsing that, I'm gonna be putting in the cinnamon stem into the pot, okay? So the lemon is going to be very important, so that should go aside, and let's cut in the lemon. Okay, so after that is done, we're just going to be putting that into the pot. All right, so 2 glasses of water will go for this 2 tea bag. All right guys, so that's it. All right guys, so after doing all of that, you're going to put it on the fire and then you boil it. Okay, now if you're using your green tea bag and moringa tea bag like this, you can boil it for just 3 minutes. But if you're using the natural green tea and moringa, you have to boil it for 10 minutes. Okay, so it can be like, so you can have the full benefits. All right, so I'm going to be boiling mine for like 3 minutes and I'm going to put it down. So here is the tea. I left it to cool down really well, okay, so that I can, you know, drink it. All right, so now we're gonna be sieving it out. To do that, okay, so for this one, you just store it in your fridge, right guys? You store it for like 3 more days, okay, so that you can just put in water, okay, and drink it. Now after 3 days you have to make a new one because it would have lose its taste and its effectiveness. Okay, this is how it looks like. It's actually very healthy and it smells okay. The color is actually very friendly and the taste, it's very friendly. Okay, let me tell you how it tastes. Let me drink it and tell you how it tastes. All right guys, man, I would lie, it's actually very slappy and is a little bitter. Okay, but if you can add up a little bit of honey, it will make the taste more friendly, but it's a little bitter. Okay, so you know, anything that actually works usually don't really taste sweet like that, man. It was difficult drinking it, but it was worth it. Okay, it was worth it. So if you drink it, all of your belly fat is gonna be gone. All right, so what you do is that you're gonna drink this in the morning and in the evening, okay, and then you're going to reduce the intake of carbohydrate food, fatty food, and you're going to eat less in the evening. Okay, if you do all of this and drink this in the morning and in the evening, in the morning in an empty stomach, in the evening when you're done taking all of your meal, all of your belly fat is going to be gone. Trust me guys, I'm not going to lie to you, this works. But of course it doesn't taste really friendly, but it's okay. You can add up a little bit of honey. It doesn't taste bad at all. Okay, anything that actually works really fine on you or in you wouldn't actually taste sweet, but if you want, you can add up honey to sweeten the taste, but I recommend you just take it that way. It's gonna be perfect. All right, so that's it. If you did love the video, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and please share the video. Take that drink, you're going to be loving it. Okay, just like the way I've told you in the video how to. So I'll see you soon in my next video, and stay trim. Bye guys.